Hey everyone, in this video we're going to review the difference between open captions and closed captions. Now, while they both offer the same purpose and function of providing an on-screen text alternative that's synchronized with your video's audio, they each offer a unique viewing experience for the viewer. Now let's break that down one by one.
Embedded open captions appear at the bottom of the screen. The text is synchronized with this video's dialogue. The visual appearance is white text on a black background.
Starting off with open captions, you may see right now at the bottom of my screen I have an on-screen text alternative that's embedded or burnt into this video recording. That means you as the viewer have no control over that text, but I as the creator have complete control over that text color, background color, its size, and its positioning within the frame.
While the speaker is talking, the embedded open captions change from black background with white text to yellow text, to a purple background, to larger text, and from the bottom of the screen to the top center of the screen.
Now, while that is compliant with the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, or WCAG, it may unintentionally make your content inaccessible. So let's give a few examples of where that could happen.
The screen turns white with the embedded captions in a white font color at the bottom of the screen. The screen's background color fades into a light pastel yellow with the white font color at the bottom of the screen.
If you have white on-screen text, so your white captions over top a white background, that's going to be pretty difficult to read. Same thing if you have white text over a light pastel color background. Or maybe you went ahead and you made that on-screen text a little bit too small, so all those situations, someone with a vision disability may have difficulty reading that on-screen text when they need it. Additionally, having that on-screen text may unintentionally block some important information within your video recording, reducing meaning of your video content for everybody watching it.
The embedded open captions have a black background color and white text. Behind it on screen is an animated pen drawing something. While we can see the pen moving, the drawing is blocked by the open captions.
So once again, while it is beneficial to have those open captions and that they're always there, you do need to pay attention to the little details and keep your general color contrast and typography accessibility principles in mind. So let's compare that now to closed captions. You'll see down here on my screen, I no longer have that burnt-in open caption text playing in real time. The benefits of having closed captions is that you as the viewer have complete control over that viewing experience. You can turn them on and off solely based on your preferences. Now, depending on the media player, you will see a little CC icon to represent closed captions. That's either going to be placed down on the bottom right or the bottom left-hand side of the video, depending on where you're watching this content. So right now, go ahead and locate that CC icon and select it. Once it's selected, now I should have text appearing down here on screen. Now, another benefit of having closed captions is that you as the viewer have complete control of that on-screen text visual appearance.
We see a screen recording of an online video playing in the YouTube media player.
Depending on the media player, some offer a little bit more features than others, but you can go in and you can actually change the background color, the text color, the font size, the positioning, and sometimes maybe even more.
A mouse cursor toggles closed captions on. It then navigates to the subtitle options, hidden within the YouTube video's settings icon. From there, the cursor moves into the font color options and selects to change the caption's text color from white to yellow. It then navigates to the background color options and changes it from black to blue. It then navigates to font family options and changes from monospaced serif font to cursive. These changes are visually changing the caption's appearance in the YouTube video.
So to summarize, open and closed captions both offer similar viewing experiences, but they each have their unique benefits and limitations. The one you choose is really going to depend on the viewing experience you want to provide for your audience.
Animated on-screen text reads, Faculty Multimedia Center, Center for Distributed Learning.